Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming every industry it touches. The use of AI technologies can help businesses automate tasks, analyze data more effectively, and make predictions that can be used to drive growth and profits. In this video, we'll explore the impact of AI on 5 different industries, including healthcare, manufacturing, finance, and retail. AI in healthcare. AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare by making diagnosis faster and more accurate, improving drug discovery, and enabling personalized medicine. For example, AI algorithms can help physicians diagnose diseases by analyzing large amounts of data from medical records and images, making it easier to identify patterns and anomalies. In drug discovery, AI can help identify potential drug targets by analyzing large datasets and predicting which molecules are most likely to be effective. And with personalized medicine, AI can analyze a patient's genetic data to determine which treatments are most likely to be effective. AI in manufacturing. AI is also transforming the manufacturing industry, with applications ranging from predictive maintenance to quality control. For example, AI-powered predictive maintenance can help companies identify equipment failures before they happen, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. Quality control is another area where AI is making a difference, with algorithms that can detect defects in products and alert workers to take corrective action. AI in finance. AI is also having a significant impact on the finance industry. In trading, AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and make predictions about market movements. This can help traders make more informed decisions and improve their overall profitability. AI is also helping banks detect fraud more effectively by analyzing customer data and identifying suspicious activity. Finally, AI is enabling banks to provide better customer service by using chatbots and other technologies to handle routine inquiries and support requests. AI in retail. Retail is another industry that is being transformed by AI. In marketing, AI algorithms can analyze customer data to identify patterns and make predictions about customer behavior. This can help retailers personalize their marketing efforts and improve their overall conversion rates. In inventory management, AI can help retailers optimize their stock levels by predicting demand and identifying the most profitable products to stock. Finally, AI is enabling retailers to provide better customer experiences by using chatbots and other technologies to handle routine inquiries and support requests. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI is having a significant impact on every industry it touches. From healthcare and manufacturing to finance and retail, AI is transforming the way businesses operate and enabling them to become more efficient, more profitable, and more customer-centric. As AI technologies continue to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovation and disruption in the years ahead.